Professor Solo, presently present and presenting. Our grid structure is solid, yet flexible now. Our items are assigned to their areas. The next thing to address are alignment and spacing. Grid gives us two different alignment layers for two different decisions: how our content should sit inside its cells and how the grid itself should sit inside its container. And for spacing, we don't manage margins or edges anymore. We manage gutters, the space between tracks and items. That keeps spacing consistent, contained, and independent of component size. In Grid, spacing is structural too. T.A. Watts, get your head out of the gutter and break down alignment and gaps for us.
All right, let's get one thing straight about CSS Grid. It's not what you think.
It's not about placing boxes. It's about owning the negative space between them.
And it's simple. You just need to know two alignment stories and one awesome spacer.
Forget margins. The spacer is gap. It's just better in every single way.
It gives you clean space only between items. No leaks, no fuss.
Okay, story 1, item alignment. This is for controlling stuff inside each cell.
You're telling each item exactly where to sit in its own little box.
Story 2, grid alignment. Now we're zooming out to the big picture.
This packs the entire grid, but, and this is key, only when there's extra room.
See? The whole group moves together to fill or not fill that empty space.
So look here. Same grid structure on both sides, right?
But with different alignment, they have a completely different personality.
Powerful stuff. And when you really see that difference, you get why all these properties exist.
Because in Grid, space is never an accident. It's intentional. Class dismissed.
Alignment decides how space is used by items. Gap decides where space exists between and around them. When alignment and gaps are explicit, layout becomes predictable. This is how Grid controls space. Next up, nested grids. With all this power, we can take our complex layouts deeper and deeper, level by level. Want the full all levels connected picture of CSS Grid? From structure through alignment and real-world layout patterns? Look for the long-form Grid Explainer on the WebDevTnT channel. P.S. Keep learning.